Hi, this is Wendy Lee. You can find me at creativeleeyours.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. And today I want to give you a little sneak peek of my Cultivated Creativity program. So this is my DIY paper crafting kit that is sent directly to you. So for September 2023, we are featuring the Pick of the Patch stamp set and coordinating Pick of the Patch bundle or punch. It's a bundle when you get it together, right? So each month, what we do is we curate a fantabulous kit, has all kinds of goodies in the pack for you. Put it all nice and neat and packaged and labeled and send it to you so that you get right to the fun part of crafting, right? You don't have to spend all the time designing and coming up with new ideas. We've done all that research and work for you. So you'll have a full color PDF tutorial. And then there's also a link to a video overview that's going to give you some additional tips and tricks as you assemble your projects. So this is a risk-free program that we offer. So it is a subscription program, but you can cancel at any time. So you could do 1 month, and if you decide it's not for you, go ahead and cancel, or you can keep it going, and then you never have to remember to sign up for the next class, right? You're automatically going to get the kit in the mail. So you want to see a sneak peek of what we're doing for September? We are doing a fall theme, and the projects are stunning. So each month we do 4 cards and 1 not a card. So this month, I'll just give you a flash of our projects. This one and this one. We try to throw in some little techniques, have you maybe do some fun folds. We've got little surprises on the inside of some of these. This one's a fun fold. Fun, fun, fun. And then, of course, we do some sort of a not a card. So this is a lovely little giftable box that you'll learn to make. And it's so fast and easy to put together. And they're beautiful, beautiful projects. Now, what happens if you don't have the featured stamp and punch bundle? It's okay. You can use what you've got at home. These projects have a nice fall feel to them, but they don't have to be fall projects, right? If you've got a different pumpkin set at home already, use that. It's fine. Maybe you've got a set with leaves and you want to use those. That would work fabulously as well. You change it up to work it for how you need it to work. All right. So if you've got any questions, just leave me a note below and I will respond back to you as soon as I can. I will leave some information in the description of the video below in case you would like to go ahead and join us for this month's kit. Registration does close September 20th of 2023. Thanks so much for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed this sneak peek. Bye for now.